Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to talk about some ways to learn English literally lying in bed. Like, this video is for all those people who are lazy but they want to learn English. Believe me, you can become fluent in English without putting any extra effort. So all the lazy folks, get set ready for literally your way to learn English. Earlier I used to think like no pain, no gain, right? I have to do something to get something. But these things have proved me wrong so many times. Like, you can lie in the bed, you can learn English and become fluent without putting any extra effort and enjoying as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the video because I know you people are so excited for this video. So yeah, and listen, if you would have asked me this question, how to learn English in 2023 or 2022, I would have given you different answers. But now in 2025, because the technologies have rapidly came from here to here, and we have a lot more options today, and we have some very good options. So we are going to take help of those options. We are going to take help of AI. We are going to take all the new technologies in our game, and we are going to learn English super fast, super fluent. See, you should have a good vision. You should have a roadmap to do things quickly. Okay, because if you will go and find out the roads, it will take time. But what if somebody will give you a map? Somebody will give you a roadmap. You have to just follow and you will get there. So I'm going to give you some practical ways to literally learn English without putting any extra effort. Okay, so what you have to do is first, so if I were at your place, what would I do is that I would take subscription, the cheaper one, like 149 one of Netflix, and I would watch not many TV shows, okay, or movies, some interesting English movies, and it comes with subtitles, so you will not face any issue watching those videos. Okay, so yeah, that we can do. And so here comes the quick recommendation for you people. And currently I'm watching a TV show which is called Manifest, where the long story short is that the main characters of the story would take the plane, and it was year 2013, and they land in year 2018, and a lot of crazy stuff is going on, and it's very interesting to watch. Just a general recommendation. You can watch any other thing also. You can watch anything. Amazing things are there. You can watch any amazing TV show or movie. It is already there. Next is that you can listen audiobooks. Literally these days I'm listening a lot of audiobooks instead of reading, because that has become very boring for me, like reading the book line by line, and I really feel sleepy after 5 minutes, and that is why I have switched to audiobooks. And this time I'm reading a book called Power of Now. It is a beautiful book of like 5 hours or something, and every day I'm listening it during bedtime, like 15 to 20 minutes, and it's just a beautiful book, such a motivational book. So yeah, and actually this book is for the people like me who procrastinate a lot. So yeah, so audiobooks can be a very, very interesting way to learn English, because what you are doing here is that you're consuming a lot of content in English. You are, in a way, indirectly creating an environment around you. You're learning vocabulary, pronunciation, and you're learning how to say certain things. So many things you are learning, the like major things you're doing here. And then what I would do if I were you in 2025 and learning English from the beginning is that I would take help of anyone who would talk to me in English. If anybody is present who knows English and can talk with you, then that's a good idea. Go to them and talk with them like every day. But I know every day nobody is free, and I don't think that works that way. So what you can do is that you can take help of those apps which provide you like a tutor with whom you can talk, or the people like other co-learners with whom you can talk. So you can do that way. Or I was thinking, like, I got mail. It's like 2-3 people wanted to have conversation with me. So if you want to have conversation with me and you don't want to spend a lot of money on those apps and you want to have conversation and learn English, like for the conversation thing, then I will leave a Google form below. You can go and fill that Google form, and then I will reach out to you for that thing, so you can talk to me online, okay? And we can have a conversation, and having conversation in English will help you to become fluent in English. And I don't think there is any need to explain you why having conversation is important to become fluent in English, because ultimately you want to learn English and you want to learn to speak English most importantly. So yeah, for speaking you have to speak, like there is no other way. And having conversation, like some casual ones, normal day-to-day conversation, and it will help the most. So, and next thing what I would do if I were you and learning English in 2025, I would record my voice. Actually, I'll do that. It's a very, very fun thing to do. What I'll do is that I'll take any random topic, like any random topic, talk to myself. Yes, it's very important. I'll take any random topic and I'll start speaking, and I'll put timer like for 1 minute. I have to speak 1 minute for straight, like anything, any rubbish thing I can speak, okay? And what I will do is that I will take help of technology. I will go to ChatGPT and upload that and try to find out the errors in it, like try to find out all the grammatical mistakes. Also, I'll ask ChatGPT to give me some reference sentences as well. So in this way, I'll be knowing where I'm going wrong, plus I'll be getting the best possible, simplest sentences, and like also I'll know the alternatives, okay? I'll be knowing where I'm going wrong, plus I'll be knowing the other alternatives. What can I say? Like those sentences, I'll get to know those sentences. Also, I'll take help of ChatGPT for planning my day. Like, for example, I'm taking a topic, and the topic is my hobby or anything. It could be any topic. So what I would do is that I will ask some related words and its meanings for the topic from ChatGPT, and then look up to those words, and I will start framing sentences with it. So it is a very good way to learn a language, because in that way you'll be like, your brain works to its best, okay? And you learn English fast. It's kind of for exercise, okay? So that I would do. Or I'll talk with AI. Actually, it's like fun thing, you know. I'll say like, hey ChatGPT, can I talk to you on this topic? And then we will have a conversation. You'll not feel hesitant, you will not feel shy, and there is no shyness, or there is no fear of making mistakes over there, because an AI, it is a machine, so you don't have to be fearful about it. So you can express yourself, okay? So all of these things I would do to learn English in 2025, and I don't think these are very complicated things. What do you think? Like, these things does not take a lot of your extra effort. Rather, you will enjoy doing all of these things, because it's just everybody is like wasting their time on social media. They're scrolling reels. It is as easy as scrolling reels, okay? You don't have to push yourself, and you have to like beat the procrastination to do these things. These are the things, like simpler things that you can do. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. I'll meet you guys soon.